Hi, I'm Dr. Lori Byron. I received my Master's of Science in Energy Policy and Climate Change from Johns Hopkins in 2020. The first patient that died under my care was an infant who stopped breathing in his sleep. The parents found him unresponsive. He was rushed to the hospital with CPR in progress, but we could not resuscitate him. I can still see that mother in the rocking chair, lifeless baby in her arms. I still hear the lullaby she sang to him. Back then, we had no clue what caused a crib death, as they were called at that time. That was before we knew that smoking by a pregnant mom increases the risk of infant death. That was way before we discovered that the particulate matter breathed in by a pregnant mom could put her baby at higher risk of SIDS deaths, or sudden unexplained infant deaths, as they are now called. Now, studies have shown that dirty air breathed in by a pregnant mom leads to increased risk of numerous problems for her unborn child: preterm birth, stillbirth, intrauterine growth retardation, and more. It was only 2 years ago that particulate matter was first seen on the baby's side of the placenta. I am a pediatrician, and I advocate on behalf of America's greatest resource, our children. It was the growing research regarding the damage of climate change to child health that caused me to switch from traditional public health work to climate-related public health advocacy. Many other healthcare providers have done the same. In the last couple of years, the American Council for an Energy Efficient Economy began quantifying the lives saved and the health dollars saved if we improve energy efficiency. The math is easy. Particulate matter kills, with the damage to health in proportion to the levels of pollution. Other research has shown that lung disease improves immediately when air becomes cleaner. As we fight climate change by converting to renewables and improving energy efficiency, air pollution lessens, and the illnesses and deaths due to air pollution decrease also. The Health Voice is a relatively new and powerful player in advocating for action on climate change. Doctors and nurses are trusted voices in our communities, and many are accustomed to advocating for their patients already. Health affects everyone and is sometimes less polarizing than polar bears. Writing letters to the editor, contacting members of Congress, testifying to government agencies, educating the public are all in the purview of a doctor passionate about climate action, as are tabling and participating in poster sessions. We can all help speed up the transition to renewable energy.